The universe is dying. Not exploding, not collapsing, dying. Every second, the cosmos becomes a little darker than it was before, a little colder, a little emptier. And one day, trillions upon trillions of years from now, the last star will burn out, the last light will disappear, the last source of warmth in the universe will be gone. What remains afterward is not fire, not chaos, not destruction, just darkness, an endless universe with nothing left to happen. And the strangest part? This may have begun billions of years ago. The universe was not born dark, it was born bright. So bright that light itself could not travel freely. For hundreds of thousands of years after the Big Bang, the cosmos existed as a searing ocean of energy and particles. Temperatures reached millions of degrees. Matter could not form. Atoms could not survive. Everything was trapped inside an expanding firestorm. Then the universe cooled. Electrons joined with atomic nuclei. The first atoms appeared. Light finally escaped. For the first time, the universe became transparent. The glow from that moment still exists today, stretching across the cosmos, fading. But something strange happened next. The lights went out. The first stars had not formed yet. Galaxies did not exist. The universe entered an era astronomers sometimes refer to as the cosmic dark ages. For millions of years, darkness dominated everything. No stars, no planets, no life. Only vast clouds of hydrogen drifting through space. Then, gravity changed everything. Hydrogen clouds collapsed. The first stars ignited. For the first time since the Big Bang, the universe lit up again. Tiny points of light appeared across the darkness. Then more. Then billions more. Galaxies formed. Clusters emerged. The cosmic web stretched across unimaginable distances. The universe became a place of creation. Stars were born. Stars died. Heavy elements spread through space. Carbon, oxygen, iron. The ingredients for planets. The ingredients for life. Every atom in your body originated inside ancient stars. Every breath, every bone, every cell. The universe was transforming darkness into complexity. For billions of years, it seemed unstoppable. But even during its brightest era, something was already changing. Something subtle, something irreversible.
Stars do not live forever. Every star shines because it is burning fuel. Hydrogen becomes helium. Energy escapes into space. Light spreads outward. But fuel is finite. No star can shine forever. Some survive millions of years. Others survive billions. The smallest red dwarfs may endure for trillions. Yet every star shares the same fate. Eventually, the fuel runs low. The light begins to fade. Across the universe, this process is happening right now. Stars are dying every second. And something even more unsettling is happening. Fewer stars are being born. Galaxies once produced stars at extraordinary rates. Today, many create only a fraction of what they once did. The reservoirs of gas are shrinking. The raw material is disappearing. The universe is using up its supply of starlight, slowly but permanently.
Then, astronomers discovered something unexpected. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. Galaxies are not merely moving apart. The separation is increasing over time. Something is pushing space itself outward. The name given to this phenomenon is dark energy, but the name solves nothing. Nobody knows what it is. Nobody has seen it directly. Yet it appears to dominate the universe. Every second, galaxies drift farther away. Entire groups of stars vanish beyond the limits of observation. Imagine standing on Earth in the unimaginably distant future. Looking into the night sky, most galaxies would already be gone. Not destroyed, simply unreachable. Their light would never arrive. The universe would appear smaller, lonelier, darker, even though it continues expanding forever.
Trillions of years pass. The great spiral galaxies fade. Star formation slows almost to a halt. The final generations of stars emerge. Small, dim, long-lived. Red dwarfs become the last surviving lights in existence. For trillions upon trillions of years, they continue burning quietly in the darkness. Then, they begin disappearing too, one after another. The final star shines alone, surrounded by a universe already gone dark. Then, eventually, its fuel runs out. The last sunrise in the universe ends forever.
After enough time, the universe reaches its final state. No stars, no planets, no black holes, no significant sources of energy. Only isolated particles scattered across an expanding cosmos. Temperatures approach absolute zero. Motion becomes increasingly rare. Nothing meaningful happens anymore. Not because something prevents it, because there is nothing left capable of happening. This future has a name: the heat death of the universe. Not a catastrophe, not an explosion, not a final battle between cosmic forces, just the gradual fading of everything. The slow extinguishing of every source of light, every source of warmth, every source of structure. A universe that began in unimaginable brightness, ending in endless darkness. Right now, the cosmos still shines. Stars fill the sky. Galaxies continue glowing across billions of light years. The universe is still young enough to create, still young enough to surprise us. But the direction appears clear. The stars are aging. The galaxies are separating. The darkness is growing. And somewhere in the incomprehensibly distant future, the last light will disappear. The universe will continue existing, but existence and life are not the same thing. What began as an ocean of fire may ultimately become an ocean of silence, an endless darkness stretching beyond imagination. The universe is dying, and it has been dying for billions of years. Subscribe, because the deeper humanity looks into the cosmos, the more temporary everything appears.